Out with the old and in with the new. Hykoont 120 watts wall pack lights Pro. This light measures 15 inches wide and 9 inches in height. It has a built-in level to help keep the light straight when installing. There are labels inside showing where it's safe to drill when installing on the wall. The fixture is built to resist dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. This is an easy light to install. Black wire goes with black, green is ground, and white is neutral. It has 3 adjustable color temperature: candlelight, incandescent, and daylight. Energy-saving security, glare-free and waterproof. You can also adjust the brightness: high, medium, and low. This wall pack light is UL certified, guaranteeing it meets rigorous safety, performance, and efficiency standards. Make sure you're cool with your neighbors, because this wall light is super bright. Head over to the Hykoont's website and grab yours today. I will also leave a link in the description.